All right. All right. So once you get everything, once you get this on or use this, and then you're using this, you are going to apply your glue. Now, you can use any type of glue you want. It really honestly doesn't matter, or at least I don't think it does, but this is what I use. You can find this anywhere almost, right? Really doesn't matter. Amazon, whatever. It's usually the go-to places for most people. Also, what helps me too, I use this drill. I do have a drill. So I use this and I use my drill. So once you get all your toenails on, your press-on toenails, you want to file it, shape it accordingly to how you like it. You definitely, you can leave it the way that it is once you put it on. Just depends on your toenails because everyone's is different. For me, because mine are not super long, I file mine down because I don't want really long toenail press-ons. So I file mine down accordingly to what I need. Then, what I also do is that once they're on the top part of your toenail, I guess will be that way, you want to just take, I use this drill bit. It's a flathead. I use that and I just file down just a little bit at the top of the toenail, just so it could be seamless, because I don't want it to be like up or lifted or anything like that. So I do use the drill just at the top of the nail bed. And then again, you want to use the file to shape it on the sides and at the top, at the top part of your toenail. Then once that is done and everything looks good, then of course you might have, because you have removed some of the shininess from the toenail, you now want to use a clear nail polish. So I use OPI. This is a quick, fast, the rapid dry one. I like stuff that dries quick because, again, my schedule sometimes just be like, and I just be needing stuff to just go fast. I need it to dry fast. So that's just me. You can use whatever you want. Then in the end, I'm using the cuticle oil as well. That's just to top it off once everything is dry. Also, it is very important, and